Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to do a chat backup for your WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. I'll be doing the steps on a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. However, iPhone has a similar menu within the WhatsApp application. This is great for the future as when the time comes to change your phone, all your messages and media will be saved in a secure place. This is also great if you lose your phone and you can retrieve these messages back onto a new phone. So let's open up your WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Tap on Settings. Then tap on Chats. Now tap on Chat Backup. If you already have backup set up, you can do a manual backup of your WhatsApp at any time by pressing Backup. The time it takes to backup depends on how large your backup data is. In my case, it is 1.1 GB, so it will take some time. Now, if you have not set this up before, you will see nothing set below. Let's begin setting up your backup on WhatsApp. The first option you need to select is how often you want WhatsApp to back up your messages and media. You can select Never, Only when I tap Backup, Daily, Weekly, and Monthly. Next, you want to select what Google account you want WhatsApp to use in order to back up messages and media. It will use Google Drive to store all your WhatsApp data, so make sure there is enough space on that drive. You need to press Add Account and go through the process of signing into your Google account and giving permission for WhatsApp to use that account for backup. In the third option, you want to select whether you want the backup to occur on Wi-Fi or on mobile data. If you have unlimited data plan, then you can select Wi-Fi or cellular, but I would recommend to select Wi-Fi only for those who are on a limited data allowance. Now the last option to change is if you want to include video or not. At the moment, video is not included in my backup, but if I do include video, my backup data will be very large, hence I have decided not to include it. Once you have it set up, please make sure you press Backup manually at the top of the screen so you can test the backup works fine. And that is how to back up your chat history on WhatsApp application. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.